Hi everyone, this is Denise. I haven't done a video in a long time, so I thought I'd get on here and just say hi to everyone, but also introduce some of our flash sale items this week, which some of you guys have been asking me about. So this one here is our chocolate gummy from Locako, and the reason why I love this one is really it's just simple. So it's a great DIY mix. You basically just add, I like to add coconut milk, but you can add whatever kind of milk that you have at home, preferably nut milk. And you mix it together, heat it up on the stove, and then put it into molds. And the hardest part is really waiting for it to set, maybe about 2 hours or so in the fridge before you can enjoy it. But my nephew, my godson, loves this one. So this is a great thing to do maybe for the holidays with the kids. And really the reason why I love it is because it has, it's pasture-raised gelatin. And gelatin is really good. It's a good source of collagen, actually. And it can help repair our gut. It can help strengthen our gut lining. And it also has, so it uses raw cacao powder. And in a little bit, I'll explain about just the importance of, or the benefits of raw chocolate. And what else? It has coconut milk powder, MCT oil, which is from coconut. And it's also sweetened with stevia. So a lot of the times when we see like the jellies out there, it's sweetened with like glucose or the white sugars. And this is just stevia is a natural sugar, and so it doesn't raise your blood sugars. It's safe for diabetics. It's better for the body in general. So this is our Locako gummy, which we're having, which it will be on sale. Actually, it's already on sale just this week. So try this out. And another one is our, see if you can see. I don't know if you can see. It's our Panna Chocolate, which really is my favorite chocolate. This one is the Fig and Wild Orange, which we're putting on sale for this week. The reason why I love Pana, it's not just, it's organic, it's handmade, it's vegan, so it doesn't use any dairy. It uses low glycemic sugars, so natural sugars like coconut nectar or dark agave, which means also it doesn't raise your blood sugar. But the most important thing is that it uses raw chocolate. So raw chocolate is actually the highest form of antioxidants from food sources. So it's higher than your goji berries, your blueberry, and even your red wine all combined. So if you really want a natural food source of antioxidant, it's a good excuse to have a piece of dark chocolate, maybe, or Panna chocolate, really, after your meal. Dark chocolate is, of course, really important, but it's not enough. Like, dark chocolate just means you have a higher cocoa content, but what you really want to look out for is the raw chocolate. So look out for, even if you're, buying chocolate mixes, look out for brands that actually use raw cocoa. So like the Locako, it uses raw cocoa. We also have other products that I bring in that uses raw cocoa. And then we have our beloved Minor Figures chai latte. And this one's just really straightforward. It's a chai tea mixed with oat milk. So it has all the chai spices like cinnamon, cinnamon bark actually, which is really different from cinnamon powder, ginger, clove, black pepper, star anise, which is really good for digestion. But all in all, it's just